Flying Turkish Airlines soon? Want to skip long queues and check-in stress-free? In this video I'll walk you through the complete Turkish Airlines check-in process in 10 clear points. Whether you're doing it online, at a kiosk, or at the counter, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Point 1. When online check-in opens and closes. Online check-in on the Turkish Airlines website or mobile app opens 24 hours before departure and closes 90 minutes before your flight. This is the easiest and fastest way for most passengers. Point 2. How to check in online. Step by step, go to turkishairlines.com or open the official Turkish Airlines app. Click Check In, Manage Booking. Enter your reservation code, PNR, or e-ticket number plus your surname exactly as it appears on the booking. Select your flight and passengers, choose your seat if available, confirm, and download or save your mobile boarding pass. Point 3. What you need ready: have your PNR, 6-character booking reference, or 13-digit e-ticket number, and the passenger's surname ready. For international flights you'll also need passport details. Make sure names match your travel documents exactly. Point 4. Seat selection during check-in. You can select seats during online check-in. Free standard seats depend on your fare type. EcoFly often charges for preferred seats, while higher fares or Miles and Smiles members get more free options. Emergency exit and extra legroom seats usually cost extra. Point 5. Mobile boarding pass. After online check-in you can get a mobile boarding pass on your phone or in the app. At many airports this works at the gate. If you only have cabin baggage, or no bags, you can go straight to security and the gate. Point 6. Airport arrival times. Turkish Airlines recommends arriving 2 hours before domestic flights and 3 hours before international flights. This gives you enough time for baggage drop, security, and any last-minute issues. Point 7. Kiosk check-in. Self-service kiosks are available at many airports. They open 12 hours before departure and close 45 minutes before domestic flights or 60 minutes before international flights. Enter your PNR or e-ticket number, select your seat, and print your boarding pass. You can check in up to 8 passengers on the same booking. Point 8. Baggage drop. After online or kiosk check-in, if you have checked bags, go to the baggage drop, or self-bag drop, counters after online or kiosk check-in. Drop your bags before the counter closes, usually 45 minutes before domestic and 60 minutes before international flights. Some airports have different cutoff times. Point 9. Traditional counter check-in. You can still check in at the staffed Turkish Airlines counters. Bring your passport or ID, booking confirmation, and any special documents. Counters generally close 45 minutes before domestic and 60 minutes before international flights. Some stations close earlier. Always check your booking. Point 10. Important tips and exceptions. Complete all check-in formalities before the cutoff times or you may be denied boarding. Some airports, for example Lagos or Caracas, have earlier closing times even if you checked in online. Group bookings, certain code-share flights, or special cases may require counter check-in. Always double-check the official Turkish Airlines website or app for the latest rules for your specific flight. That's the complete Turkish Airlines check-in process in 10 simple points. Online is almost always the smartest choice. It saves time and lets you pick your seat. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more airline tips, and comment below if you've flown Turkish Airlines recently. Safe travels and see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.